Okay, there goes the 1104 cross-country service from, might be Birmingham International to Leicester. Anyway, hello guys, Train Clips HD here, welcome to the latest video, and today I'm at Water Orton on the cross-country route. Yeah, so there goes a 170 which is going off to Leicester, which brought us in from Birmingham New Street. Here today with me is, what's your channel name?
Walsal Lad.
Walsal Lad. Do you have a channel?
TrainsFan.
Cornwall TrainsFan. OliverMarkoBlake, Rob's public transport videos and KTV videos. Let's see what's next. Anyway guys, as I got a bit distracted, here today we'll be seeing services only by cross country, even though it's a London Midland managed station, which I don't understand, but okay. We're also seeing, when I mean quite a bit of freight, I mean we're talking like quite a lot of freight. Could be more than passenger services. I highly doubt it, but it could be more than passenger services as I've had a look on real-time trains. Anyway, let's get started here at Water Orton. It's my first time here, so it looks like a fantastic station, so I'm looking forward to it. Let's get started here at Water Orton. Okay, pass through there. It's 170-115, which is off to Birmingham New Street from Stansted Airport. So that's the first time I'm saying that. Is it? Oh, it's a Leicester Birmingham New Street, right, okay. Anyway, let's see what's next. We have a passing cross country from Plymouth to Edinburgh, which we'll get in a minute. Let's see what's next. Passing through now. 17522, which is the 1102. It's the 1111 pass from Nottingham to Cardiff Central. Also passing through now is 1 Sierra 41. It's the 1111 pass from Plymouth to Edinburgh. 7:25 off Plymouth. Did you get any numbers?
I think it was 221123.
We think it's 221123, but wild guess. Anyway, let's see what's next. Here at Water Orton, it's a fantastic station so far, great speeds. Okay, passing through now is 1 Victor 85, which is the 1115 pass from Edinburgh to Reading. Great tone. Oh yes! Brilliant! 221120. 221120, which calls at Birmingham New Street, Leamington Spa, Banbury, Oxford and Reading, which is where I would have been today. But anyway, let's see what's next. Okay, passing through there, it's 17937 with a service to Birmingham New Street from Stansted Airport. I'm guessing it's the 1129 pass to Birmingham New Street. Is it from Stansted Airport? Yeah, it's from Stansted Airport to Birmingham New Street, that one.
I haven't been here for a while anyway, so...
I've not been here at all, so...
It's your first time?
This is my first time as well, so... Anyway, let's see what's next.
New Street to Nottingham.
Passing through now. 170, 101, and what's that pass?
You should look at that.
Guessing 1130?
You should have a look. 11:30.
It was too soon for me to book tickets, but anyway.
Westbury all over again, where you ask where everything is.
Yeah, but I haven't written anything up.
Well, you need
right, anyway, so that's from Birmingham New Street to Nottingham. Okay, about to pass through now. It's 1132 pass from Birmingham New Street to Stansted Airport. It is... Is it a calling service?
Look, it's going pretty slowly.
Kieran, is it a calling service? Is it a calling service? Anyone?
Yeah,
Okay, coming now is the 1132 cross-country service to... No, it's passing. It's passing. Look, I'm confused.
That goes through next year.
That's going on the sharing group. Let's see what's next.
Newcastle from Reading.
Okay, passing through now. Great turn. 22. 220.015, which is on a Reading to Newcastle service, passing through.
And our calls at Derby, Sheffield, Doncaster, York, Darlington, Durham, and
I seen that last
That's the new calling points for that, if you heard them. Anyway, let's see what's next here at Water Orton. Okay, about to pass through in a second. I'm guessing it's the 11:55 pass from, I can't think where it is from now. Nottingham to Birmingham New Street. 173.98. 173.98 on that one. And that's off to Birmingham New Street from Nottingham. That's thundering through. Also, for the first time in forever, every guy's sing along. KTV Videos is wearing a cap.
Hello, Rob. Hi, Rob.
I'm now recording in Rob's public transport videos.
Well, I am.
wearing a cap as well.
Well, we all are. Anyway, let's see what's next. Passing through there, it's 176.36. It looks like it's off to Leicester from Birmingham New Street. And I think that's the 12:01 pass, slightly delayed. Anyway, let's see what's next. Should be a calling service, hopefully. Well, I should hope it's a calling service anyway.
And arriving in now is a 170 off to Birmingham New Street. So we'll see its part in a minute. And departing now is the 170 off to Birmingham New Street. Sorry about the shaky camera, guys. So I'll pass this back to you, Train Clips HD, and we'll see what's next.
Fun fact, I think we've delayed the Leicester Birmingham train. That's why it's going so slow.
Okay, anyway, passing through now is a Birmingham to Leicester service, or Birmingham New Street to Leicester. 170.113, jinx. Which is slightly delayed, it's due to KTV Videos, quite literally. No word of a lie.
Oh, it's 175.23 on the road.
175.23 on the road, okay.
Double turbo start. Not in service, apparently.
They must have locked that completely then.
No, it isn't service.
Oh, well, yeah, maybe. They haven't changed it. Anyway,
Yeah, two
let's see what's next.
2 units.
Okay, passing through there was 170.109 with a Nottingham to Cardiff Central. Also passing through now is one Sierra 43, which is from Penzance to Glasgow Central. Oh my lord! 221.128 on that one. That's Penzance, Glasgow Central, that one.
Why have they got such...
Okay, let's see what's next. Okay, passing through now, it says from Newcastle to Southampton Central. Looks like 220.023 on that one. Was it 220.023? Kieran, was it 220.023?
I think it was.
Do you want extra?
You got a film of that?
Okay, let's see what's next here at Water Orton. Okay, passing through now. Is it passing? Yeah. 171.10, which it looks like it's off to Stansted Airport. Okay, see what's next. We should have CrossCountry HST coming through next, which is 42 minutes late, which is 1 Victor 52 0601 Glasgow Central to Paignton. So we'll see that come through in a minute. Okay, we've got freight passing through the Voyager. Oh yes! 221133, which is off to Newcastle from Southampton Central. We've also got a freight passing through, which I will leave you for a couple of seconds with. Which will get the zoom right. to shot. 66085. Smith Brent Fresh. Bloody massive train. Jesus Christ. There is an end. Okay, let's see what's next. Okay, passing through now. $170,111. That's off the Birmingham New Street from Leicester. Okay, passing through now is 1 Victor 52, which is very heavily delayed. Wakefield West, no, Glasgow Central to Paignton. Southwest train spotting. Look who's back again. Let's see what's next. Okay, and as the HST passes by, shall we end in my Water Orton video here. So thank you for watching my Trains at Water Orton video. If you've liked what you've seen here at Water Orton, then please do like and subscribe. My next station will be Tamworth, going on to one of the main hubs of the West Coast Main Line. So I shall see you all there. Here today is Rob's public transport videos, if he's going to give us a thumbs up as usual. Cornwall TrainsFan, KCV videos, who dropped his phone on the track. And got a hat for a life. OliverMarkoBlake. What's your channel called again? Can't think.
AT Trains.
Huh?
AT Trains.
AT Trains. And what's yours called again?
Walsal Lad.
Oh yeah, Walsal Lad. So yes, go check out their channels. As they make fantastic content. Yes, like I said, my next station on the trip today will be Tamworth. Shut up. Right, anyway, let's finish the day with a 170, shall we? Pass me through, I'm guessing?
Yes.
Should hope so. Oliver, stop playing all the stations. All the stations, shout out to you. I'll explain more in a sec. Great two-tone. 170, 102. Off to Nottingham. Shout out to all the stations who have done a absolutely fantastic job of visiting most of the stations in the United Kingdom. Like is it 2,853, something like that?
2,563.
Yeah, 2,563 stations. They're not through it all yet. They've just completed London. Oh, for God's sake, we're not going to get enough. Passing through now. Oh, hello. 221127 passes through, which is 1 Victor 54 down to Newquay from Dundee. Let's see what's next. No, I'll just see you on in Tamworth. Take care, guys, and goodbye.